So Paul, you used AZteroid on your beets.
We did.
This year and last year?
We tried it a little bit last year. We mainly used Quadris last year, but we just tried it a little bit and did like the mixability or compatibility of it, I guess. So this year we switched, and almost all of it we still used a little bit of Quadris. But
What mixed better?
the AZteroid did seem to go into solution better, yes.
Okay.
Or stay in solution better, yeah. So,
And then were you mixing any fertility products with that, or any insecticides or anything else?
we did insecticides. We did not put any fertilizer with it.
Okay.
This year.
Okay. Is that something you're looking at in the future, possibly?
Yeah, we're definitely looking at it. We tried it a little bit, and actually we put a little bit of AZteroid down with fertilizer, totally tubular system on my planter. So in dry beans we tried it just to see if it would help with some of the root rot.
So you also used a little bit of Midac this year?
We did try a little bit of Midac. Like I say, went in the solution very well, and didn't notice any problems with that at all. I think I actually heard about it first through Mike Day, who's my chemical rep, mentioned that this might want to try some. That it was because we had been talking about having a few issues here and there if the water is really cold with Quadris, staying in solution and things like that. So we tried that out. That's why we tried it last year. I said, if you can give me a little bit, I'd like to take a look at it. It was a little bit more money, but it definitely did stay in solution better. And then we've been toying with the idea of doing a little more fertility in furrow. So we haven't done any in sugar beets yet, but in other crops we've been playing around with it. And so we're going to have something to mix with that. We wanted to make sure it stay compatible with the fertilizer and not give us any trouble there. The biggest benefit we've seen is, like I say, we have no mixing problems. It seems to stay in solution very well. If it sits overnight, it's not, you don't see where it's settled out or anything like that. So that's, I guess, the biggest two things that I've noticed. If you're going to put fertilizer in your system, I think it's definitely something you want to take a look at.